one of the things that we would like to explain with the rise and fall system is some of the clicking sounds that you may get if there's any faults with it. One of the systems is the safety strip. It's important that the resistor is in the end of it and the yellow resistor is in the other white point of the cable. What will happen is, in the normal action of the system, with those two things connected, it will operate normally. On contact with the safety strip, what you'll notice is the unit will stop and go the other way. If for whatever reason either this resistor or this one is not connected, what you'll notice now is when you try and press the button, it doesn't move, it just gives you this clicking sound. To rectify it, double check that you've got the yellow resistor in this part of the Y and that you also have the resistor in the end of the safety strip.